as smoothly as possible.
Do you have offers, Crystal?
I believe there are in the file. I'm checking now to see.
Okay, thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get started now. The judge is on the bench. While we're in session, I ask that you keep your devices muted, as we cannot have everyone talking at one time. There is a court reporter out here. She has to keep the record. She cannot keep the record if everyone is talking. Also, while we're in session, we ask that you remain seated. You cannot get up and walk around. You cannot get up and talk. You cannot have conversations with other people. You cannot be eating, sleeping, or drinking. You are in court, so we ask that you maintain professionalism. Also, while you're in court, we're only handling the cases that are scheduled on our docket for today. The judge will not be able to tell you if this will help you get your driver's license back, if the Secretary of State will be cleared. We are not able to have access to that information. There is a house counsel out here. She is here for you today and today only. If you have any questions, legal questions, she is able to help you with those questions. Those questions will be directed to her, not to the judge. And lastly, we are going to be on YouTube Live, which means that everything you say and do is being previewed live. So that is more of a reason for you to maintain professionalism. Any questions that you have, as I said once before, will be addressed with the House Counsel. And we can get this done as efficiently and as quickly as possible. And once again, please make sure that you leave your devices muted and do not speak out and talk out if the judge has not called your name. We're going to make sure that we have everybody's name so that we can get this done as soon as possible. Mr. What did you say? No, I'm saying that the only one that we have ready right now is Miss Mathis, because the other two people don't have audio yet. So I'm doing it now. One responding.
Ms. Mathis. Monique Mathis,
Yes.
Single name. Okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
That's fine. I'm going to go. This is Judge Wagner. I'll be presiding over these matters today. We're going to get started right now. You have the first case that's ready. You're not the only one that's ready right now. So this state your full name now.
Monique Mathis.
You have ticket number P1116112. People versus Monique, M-O-N-I-Q-U-E, Mathis, M-A-T-H-I-S. Ms. Mathis, you are charged with 3 counts under this ticket number. The first one is driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. 2 is driving a vehicle with improper plates. And 3 is having a vehicle with no insurance. either driving or on the public street in the city of Detroit. We also have P111685 People versus Monique Renee Mathis. Ms. Mathis, you have one charge under this ticket number. Drive while license not valid. There's an offer from the people, Ms. Mathis, that were to plead to P111689 which is drive while license not valid. They would amend and reduce that charge to fail to display. The other two matters would be, wait a minute, this is saying there's three charges. No, it's right there. Pleaded that charge that I just indicated, and also P111611 count to improper place. Dismiss two charges. That would be the.
I'm sorry, Judge. I can't really hear you over. I hear some other noises.
Everybody else, please make sure you leave your devices muted. If I mute you, please do not unmute you. Please do not unmute yourself. Right now, the only person that should be unmuted is Monique Mathis. The other two people, I muted your devices. Please leave them muted until we ask for you to unmute.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you unmute your microphone and I have not called your name, I will remove you. It creates a problem for people to hear. It creates a problem for me having to go back over cases. It makes everything longer. If your microphone is muted, it does not prevent you from hearing everything. It just prevents everybody else from hearing noise from your area. So please do not unmute your microphone until I call your name. All right, Ms. Mathis, I've already indicated that the offer would be if you plan to 1 count of improper plate and 1 count of driving while license not valid. That would be amended down to fail to display. The other two matters would be dismissed. Do you understand what the charge is and what the offer is, ma'am? If you do, then you can make a decision if you want to plead or if you want to go to trial with these matters. If there's some confusion or you need to talk to the attorney, we do have an attorney out here for you to talk to. What do you want to do, Ms. Mathis?
And this is regarding the improper plates.
Well, this is regarding all 4 of the charges, ma'am, but the people have made an offer that if you pled to 2 charges, they would dismiss 2. The improper plates you would have to plead to as charged, and the driving without a license or driving without a valid license, that would be amended down to fail to display, which is the lowest driver's license charge there is.
Okay. Yes, I understand that.
Okay. So if you understand the charges, you understand the offer, do you want to take advantage of it or do you want to go to trial? And if you do need some additional information or questions, we do have an attorney out here for you for that matter.
No, I don't need that. I agree to it.
Okay. All right, Ms. Mathis, I do need you to raise your right hand and to state your full name.
You need me to turn my camera on?
I would prefer you turn it on, but if you don't, sometimes people call in because they don't have a camera. Just raise your right hand, ma'am. That will be fine.
Okay. And my name is Monique Renee Mathis.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth?
I do.
You may put your hand down, Ms. Mathis. Ms. Mathis, you've indicated that you want to take advantage of this offer. You understand that if you plead guilty, you give up your right to go to trial and to challenge these matters.
Yes.
Are you doing so of your own free will, Ms. Mathis?
Yes.
Ms. Mathis, are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes.
Ms. Mathis, on the date of September 22nd of 2020, were you operating a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit without a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Court will find you guilty, ma'am, of fail to display on that matter. And on that same day, same time, were you operating a motor vehicle with improper plates on it?
Yes.
Court will find you guilty of operating a vehicle with improper plates as well. The other 2 matters would be dismissed. Ms. Mathis, I have to give you a fine. The fine for the first matter is $275. The fine for the second one is $225. $500. That's a total of $500. Can you pay that right away, Ms. Mathis, or do you need time?
I'll need time.
How much time do you need, Ms. Mathis?
Is there a way that I can like pay on it? I wouldn't be able to
Well-
pay everything at once.
Okay, now, what I'm saying, if you tell me, Ms. Mathis, could you pay it all by February 26th, and then you can put it together any way you want to? You could pay $50 this week, or 40 the next week, or however you want to do it, but as long as it's all paid, it's in the approximately 60 days I'm giving you.
Oh,
That-
yes.
All right, so I'm gonna give you till February 26th, ma'am, and you just have to pay it all by then. How you put it together is up to you. You have more money one week and less the next, as long as February 26th, you have it all paid.
Man, let me write this down. Okay, thank you.
60 days would be March.
All right, ma'am. You know how to pay, Ms. Mathis?
Can I pay online?
Yes, you can. There's 6district.org. You can also pay at one of the kiosks that's located around the city. Did that system? They're in supermarkets, they're all over the city.
Okay,
You can pay online. That's the fine.
okay.
So, all right, ma'am, that's all we need from you. Good luck to you. Make sure you have it all paid by that date. Ma'am, if you need a little more time, I actually can do that.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause I don't work full time, so I wouldn't have. I mean, I'm gonna try my best, but I don't work full time.
All right, ma'am, let me hold on one second. How about March 19th, ma'am?
That would be fine, sir.
All right. Okay, just make sure you pay it by then, ma'am. Good luck to you. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Sign off.
The other person, he got a microphone now. And the other lady wasn't in the right courtroom, so I told her what she had to come. So Macklin.
Anthony Macklin, unmute your microphone, state your full name.
My name is Anthony Dewan Macklin.
Yes, sir. This is ticket number P1118342. People versus Mr. Anthony Macklin, Macklin. Mr. Macklin, under this ticket, you have two civil infractions. The first one is driving 11 to 15 miles per hour over the posted speed limit. The second charge is having no proof of insurance. You also have P1093811, drive while license not valid. The people have made an offer that if you pled to no proof of insurance, the other two matters would be dismissed.
The other two will be dismissed and plead to one.
Plead to one, and it's a civil infraction, sir. It's not even a criminal offense. It's a civil infraction. That's for no proof of insurance.
Okay, if he dismissed the two and plead to one, I'll take the offer.
All right, Mr. Macklin, I need you to raise your right hand and state your full name.
My name is Anthony Dewan Macklin, Your Honor.
Swear or affirm to tell the truth.
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down, Mr. Macklin. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Macklin, you just indicated to me that you want to take advantage of the offer and you want to plead responsible to a civil infraction. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand, Mr. Macklin, if you plead responsible on that ticket, you give up your right to have a formal hearing where you would go to court and either challenge that charge.
Yes,
or
sir.
dispute it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Being responsible because you are, responsible, Mr. Macklin?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Macklin, on the date of September 28th of 2020, were you operating a motor vehicle within the confines of the city of Detroit?
Yes, sir.
Without insurance. You were driving
Yes,
with no
Your Honor.
insurance? All right, court will find you responsible. The other two matters will be dismissed. After your fine, sir. $195, sir. $195. $195, sir.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Macklin, you heard me tell the last person that they could have time to pay. I cannot do that for this ticket. The other ticket was a misdemeanor versus a civil infraction. The system requires you to pay all civil infractions within 14 days. So
Well,
that's
Your
all
Honor. Well, Your Honor, I need more time because I'm out of work due to the coronavirus and
Mr.
my
Macklin.
disability.
Mr. Mack, I just said I have authority to do that for a civil infraction. I can do that on a criminal matter. This is not a criminal matter. You know what? Let me ask the people to change your offer to one of the other charges, then I can do that, but I can't do it for this charge.
Well, I hope they can change it. I hope they don't do. I hope it be around the same bracket because due to coronavirus and my disability.
I'm just telling you that I don't have the legal authority. Most thing I can probably stretch it out is 3 weeks. Other than that, I cannot do it. The system will automatically put a default judgment in. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. I was asking. Yes, Your Honor. I was asking the state of Michigan if they do switch off, and would there be the same bracket as far as the price range? Because I need more time due to the coronavirus of my job, sir.
I understand that, sir. There's a lot of frequent problems. I'm telling you what my limitations are. If the people let you plead to a criminal offense, the price of the ticket is going to be higher. It's going to be $275.
I take the offer they gave me the first time. If whatever high you give me for the extension of the date, I'll take it.
Okay. All right, sir. What date?
Give them to January 29th.
It's got to be paid by January 29th, sir.
Oh my God.
Now, if they switch you to a criminal offense, sir, I can put it all the way out into March, but I can't do this one because the system.
I take the civil infraction. I don't want the criminal.
I don't blame you, sir. That's just the way it is. The way the system is set up.
Yes, sir. I understand you are. I was just saying, due to the coronavirus and all that, I don't want to be stressing myself trying to get no $100 and some and get myself in a whole lot of trouble just trying to get that. And I know I'm not going to be able to get it. That's what I was trying to tell the people. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to go out there and commit no offense trying to get no $195 just because I know. You know what I'm saying? That's all.
Okay, so Mr. Macklin, the court, let me just explain to you a little bit. What the judge is saying is that his hands are tied by law.
Yes, madam.
The civil infraction is a wonderful thing,
okay.
But if he could give you more time, he would, is what he's saying. He just can't. This is the one situation where by law, by statute, it says a certain period of time. And that's all he can give you. Okay.
I'm saying,
may have to borrow. What I'm saying though, I don't want you talking about how you can get it, and no one can help you with that, unfortunately. So, just try to do the best you can. Maybe you can borrow it. I don't know. I can't give you any suggestions, but it'll be $195 due by the 29th. Okay.
Okay, but what if I get some of that money and I can't get the other? You know, that's what I'm saying. What if I can get like $100, $100?
It's $195. by January the 29th.
So what happens if I can't get that back, Judge? That's what I'm asking you.
Then it's going to go into default. And then you'll have to pull it out of default. You'll have to do a motion to set aside the default and explain why you could not. But I don't know if it'll suspend your license or not, but it will go into default, just like automatically. It's going to go into default.
All right. I have to take it. I'll take it. I'll just, madam. Okay.
Okay. Do the best
Yes.
you can. Thank you. Thank you, Judge. We're ready to proceed.
Mr. Macklin, do you know how to pay this?
Sir?
Do you know how to pay this money?
No, I don't. No, I don't, Your Honor.
Mr. Macklin, there's kiosks around the city. They're called DivDat. There's one outside. DivDat, D-I-V-D-A-T. There's one outside.
Wait a minute, let me write that down. What is it?
It's easier for you. There's a machine outside the 36th District Court. It looks just like an ATM machine.
Okay.
The machine is open 24 hours. It's outside the building. You don't go inside. It's over by the door. You can pay there. All you have to do is go type your name in or put in the ticket number. It'll show up and you can pay with a credit card or you can pay with cash. If you pay with cash, you have to put in the exact amount because the machine does not give change. All right?
Okay, you said it was $195?
Yes, sir. And if you live anywhere near Northwest Activity Center, sir, it's one there also.
Okay, and that's for the no proof of insurance, is that correct?
No,
Yes.
sir.
It was for no proof of insurance.
Yes. No, it's for improper plates.
No, I don't have no, I have right plates on my car.
Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong ticket now. I'm sorry. Looking at the wrong ticket. It was for, nope, you're right, correct. No proof of insurance, sir. That's what the charge is.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
Right.
Okay, it's done and said, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, have a good day. You stay safe, Mr. Macklin.
Yes, sir, I will. Thank you. God bless you guys.
You as well.
Thank you. Okay.
All right, Judge. If you guys need me, you have my number.
What we do, what time is it now?
We give them to 2:30.
We give them to 2:30, so, you just hang out with us. You don't have to stay online. You know what I mean? Just let us have access to you. So if somebody pops up
I got her
between
cell,
now
so
and
I can
2:30, Crystal says she'll call you.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Thank you much. Have a good day. If I don't come back, enjoy your weekend.
You
You
as
too.
well. Stay safe.
Okay, you as well. Thank you.
No,
You know what?
I need to tell people.
All I got to say to you.
You gotta take the line.
That's what I was about to say.